Hi, my name is Evan. I'm here at Serra Laser, and what we're showcasing today is our integration with the LightWELD fiber laser welding system and the Fanuc collaborative robot. The collaborative robot is known as the CRX 10. There's different sizes and the numbers, that 10 number will change, but this one here is the CRX 10IA, and what you see here is the handheld welding torch of the LightWELD 1500 welding system. This one happens to be the XR variety. So the Fanuc collaborative robot is going to expand our possibilities. It's going to allow us to have consistently repeatable parts, and it's easy to train this robot with the handle guided technique. So where most robots it's fairly programming intensive, the Fanuc robot allows us to manually manipulate the robot arm to find our positioning. We can move the position, get it close, record a point on our timeline programming system where we have various commands that we can choose from. Every point can then be fine-tuned. We can change the positioning, force direction, speed. You can see here the XYZ roll, pitch, and yaw, the speed that it's moving. So there's various commands, and we can do all kinds of stuff to really fine-tune in our program and make sure that it's working optimally. And another benefit of the system is that we can remove this handheld welding torch from the mount, remove the cable management straps here, and then switch it back to handheld mode and go along laser welding by hand with the LightWELD system. So I'm going to have you take a step outside of the booth and watch through this window while I weld these parts with the laser.